Somebody come and look at this. It's raining. It's raining, so I've decided that I'm gonna go for a rain skate because I'm bored as. Actually no, reasons to go rain skating. You can learn new tricks, it's fun, and it's something to do when you're bored. Step 1. Determine your rain board. I'm just going to use my old Fang board that I'm using at the moment. I'm getting boards from, remember, hopefully it should come in the mail tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm just going to use that. Step 2. Determine your rain equipment, like gloves. So you don't want to use your good gloves. If you have shitty gloves, use them. But I've learned the hard way. I used to have Sector 9 driver gloves, the red ones, and I went rain skating in them, and my whole hands were just blood red for like a solid 3 days. So that's bad. And then I tried to dry them out in the sun, and they weren't drying out because it was just raining where I was for like a week. So eventually the rain stopped, and the gloves actually shrunk, like half the size they were. I couldn't even get that much in. That's just, like, gloves are kind of expensive in Australia, like $80 around for leather gloves, and that happened. So yeah, don't use leather gloves when rain skating. Also, don't use your good gloves. Alright, that whole segment I forgot to turn the microphone on, but I have some old Sector 9 BHNC gloves, fingerless, so just remember to wear old gloves when rain skating. Now, step 3. Determine what clothes you're going to wear. You don't want to wear expensive jeans, like expensive clothes, because they're going to get wet, and when rain skating it's very slippery and you're most likely going to fall on your butt quite a lot. And be prepared to slide out and fall, because it's very slippery. It's very different than skating in the dry. Catch you guys on a hill. The road is nice and moist. That's going to be very interesting. It is raining a little bit, so I'm not going to bring this camera. I will just use the GoPro. Bring a jacket. You're going to get wet. Also, if you're running expensive bearings, your bearings will probably get rusty, so be sure to dry them out with a hairdryer. Always works.
So I was next, but you will always follow me. You will always follow me. Under the light of finally you can see your eyes lonely like mine were underneath the street light. Under the light of finally you can see your eyes lonely like mine were.
For you, Ryan. I told you, Ryan, I'll get it.
I should have known that you were into, but I never.
Hey guys, that's my session done. I'm so hot in this jacket. Queensland, plus a jacket. Don't do it. I forgot to mention to bring a towel, so you don't get your car wet. My car's fogging up.